So hey guys, I'm back with another tutorial for you, and today we will be creating this double exposure effect inside After Effects, and it's a very cool and very easy effect to do. So I will just show you how to create it. So let's get started. This is the footage that I'll be using. So the first step is go to the Effects and Presets panel and let's search for geometric color. Let's drag and drop it. And in the creative section, I will first turn it to black and white, and then let's do some basic correction. Okay, this looks good now. This looks good for now. I will leave it at that. Now I will duplicate it and then I will rename it to roto layer just to avoid any confusion. And then with the help of the roto brush tool, let's double click on it and we will start rotoscoping out our subject. Since it's a plain background, so it won't take much time for me to rotoscope it out. So I will just fast forward this part. So now I'm done with the rotoscope. Now hit the freeze frame button to freeze the rotoscope. And we are done with this. That's you. Yeah, it will work. Also, if you want, you can feather it out. Like, let's say I'll increase it to around 50. And go to the project. Let's go to the project panel and okay, so this is the clip that I'll be using for my double exposure effect. So let's drag and drop it. Effect to transform and effect to comp. Okay. Now I will drag it below the roto layer and then I will change my track matte to the roto layer, and now it will stay inside the clip. Now let's turn on the roto layer and I will just change the blending mode. Let's say you can play with the blending mode whatever you feel like depending on the footage. So it will depend on the footage to footage, but basically it will be around add, screen or lighten. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out the other videos that I have uploaded. I'm sure you will like it.